The number of turns in the coil in an AC generator is 5000 and the area of the coil is 0.25 meter square. The coil is rotated at the rate of 100 cycle per second in a magnetic field of 0.2 Weber per meter square. The peak value of the EMF generated is nearly. So now we know that flux EMF will be equal to delta phi upon delta t. Now we know that delta phi is going to be NBA, right? NBA cos 0. So N, which is provided as number of turns 5000, B is 0.2 Weber per meter square, area of cross section is 0.25 meter square. Now it is rotated 100 cycle per second. So here we cannot use this formula, so we will be using another format of the formula, that is E is equal to NBA into omega. So basically for a generator we also have this format of formula. So N we know, so this is nothing else flux, right? And this is into omega. So basically the value of omega will be 2 pi n, and n is provided at 100 cycle per second, right? So if you put the values, then you get 2 pi into n into b into a, right? So the value of this 2 into 3.14 into n is 100. Capital N is obviously 5000 and b is 0.2 into area of cross section is 0.25, right? So this much volts EMF will be generated maximum, right? So this will be so 20.25 into 2.05, so this will be 6.28 into this is 100, so this will be these 3 0 will be adjusted here, so this will be 2 and this will be 25, so this will become 50. So 10 to the power 2 into 50 into 5. So now this will be 5 into 5 25 into 6.28 into 10 to the power 3, so which will give you 157.1 into 10 to the power 3 volts, so which will be 157.1 kilovolts, right? So that much EMF will be generated maximum. So which option is correct? So option number 4 is the right choice. Okay.